Believe it or not, mastering human figure drawing can be a challenge, but here is a simple trick how you can improve very quickly. All you have to do is to simplify the figure into its very basic shape. For example, look at this sculpture of Venus, and all you have to do is to focus on her outer shape and then roughly outline this shape using several straight lines like this. And then when you do that, you can start defining her features, her characteristics by adding more detail and changing the lines into the actual shape. So this is a very powerful method, and you can obviously use this when you're drawing sculptures like this. It's also very powerful to use in the beginning of your art journey. But later you will find out that it's very useful when you're drawing people in motion. For example, like playing football, or you want to sketch people on tube. And actually professional artists use this when they firstly outline the shape of the figure and then they add the details to it. So here's the interesting thing. You can actually reverse this method. You can turn it around. And instead of focusing on the outer shape, you look at the inner shape. This is very often used in animation, and here is another practical example how this works. Let's have a look at my drawing of Discobolus. And I started by outlining the inner shape first, and basically it works like a skeleton. You draw a few straight lines like this, and then you add the outer shape. So in combination of these two methods, you can achieve amazing results. Next time when you draw a human figure, think about using one of these methods, ideally both of them, because they will help you to capture the essence of the figure rather than the detail, and then you will draw the figure in correct proportions very quickly. You know that people say that size doesn't matter, but I can tell you that it's a lie. And if you want to find out why, watch my next episode right here.